What's up guys, good morning, welcome to another video. You join me in a very cold December morning right here in BMW Farnborough. Today a good friend of mine, salesman Louis Hale, has very kindly lent me, when I say lend, allowed me to film a brand new M2 Competition. He's invited me to come down here just to see what it's like in the flesh. I have never seen one before in person. I've only ever seen, sorry about that, I've only ever seen the old current M2, the first generation M2, and I'm excited to see it. I mean, at first glance it looks very beautiful, guys. I mean, it looks different than in person. It is definitely a lot imposing than the previous M2, I would say. So without further ado, let's go see it.
Oh, look at that car. My club, that's gonna be my car.
Yeah, nigga, that same rusty ass car 15 years from now.
The Alcantara on the door, and carbon fiber here handle feels really good actually. Obviously it's got the HK sound system, and here you get here by the door sill the M2 Competition logo that lights up, and then obviously you get the all important, looks very cool, proper M seat belts, and you get the proper M seats. Nice M2 badge. And they have the nice icon lights, different to standard LED or xenons. Also guys, as you can see here, the grille is just one, no longer that divide here. Chassis looks very aggressive, just one piece, all in gloss black as well. Obviously you get the new bumper as well. Three inlets here, the icon lights, 788 rims. It looks really nice in this two-tone finish they have here. The biggest change in the engine department, obviously you have this strut brace here that you find in most M cars, and this is the brand new engine, guys, no longer the same ones you find in the old M2. This is the S55 engine, a down-tuned version of what you will find on the M3 or M4 as well, pushing out 405 bhp. Guys, camera's a bit wet because of the water from the exhaust, but that was definitely worth it. We get to see a comparison between this and my car, and this is definitely loud. I'm gonna go for a quick drive. Hopefully, you know, I enjoy the ride. I'm sure I will. You can see the smile on my face already, and I can't wait. Cannot wait. Good.
Oh, we're good one, yeah. There we go, left out here. Go left here.
So I just been on the spin on the M2 Competition, and my god, I must say it is a proper M car. Definitely feel every single thing that each wheel is doing in terms of you know, you're planted onto the road, and it's definitely quick, and I'm already in love. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
It's getting harder, get harder. Check out